Hello aqua friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do this Valentine's Day candle, and I am working wet on dry, putting the colors in for my candle, some textural effects, and the wick. So to add the Valentine hearts in the background, I am putting down a wet wash of a very pale yellow and adding some extra colors to my flame. Once your layer dries, add some heart stickers and redo the background layer with a more vibrant yellow. And let that dry. I repeat the process with the stickers and adding a more darker yellow. And I'm going to let that dry. My final layer of stickers. And notice that I'm sort of having them all in different directions. It helps to keep the eye within the composition and helps lead the eye to look around. If they were going all straight up and down, it would be, I think, a bit boring. And I also think it would lead the eye right off your paper. So now that all the stickers are on, I'm adding my darkest background layer. This is a nighttime scene. And the colors that I used for this were sepia mixed with neutral tint to get this really dark color. And then we have to let the whole thing dry again. Now is the time to take off all your stickers. Unfortunately, I am using the Honeymoon collection series, and it did rip my paper taking the stickers off there, so I'll have to fix that. Not a big deal, but I have never had that happen with arches. So I'm just doing a little touch-ups. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please like and subscribe if you like my artwork. Thank you and have a great weekend.